Welcome to this tutorial on finding your Coinbase API key. To get started, you need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one, create an account on the Coinbase website. First, navigate to the Coinbase website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings page, click on the API tab from the menu on the left side of the page. If you have not created an API key before, you will see a button that says New API Key. Click on this button to create a new API key. You will then be asked to confirm your password and agree to the terms of service. Enter your password and check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then click Create API Key. You will then be shown your API key and API secret. The API key is used to identify your account, while the API secret is used to authenticate your requests. You will need to keep these secure, as anyone with access to them will be able to make requests on your behalf. It is recommended that you save your API key and API secret in a secure location, such as an encrypted file or a secure note-taking app. You should never share your API key or API secret with anyone, as this could compromise the security of your account. Once you have saved your API key and API secret, you can use them to make requests to the Coinbase API. This can be useful for a variety of tasks, such as tracking the price of Bitcoin or making automated trades. Remember to always keep your API key and API secret secure, and never share them with anyone. By following these steps, you should be able to find and use your Coinbase API key.